Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kakenho nyele akai natura ya kabalatip kum Ketura District Cricket Association Kelayora ya kanam Lahduh hadim bakala pelim no ya kakenho nyele akai ke Shillong Cricket Association the South Wicket ha lempung yakun jong Under 15 Boys Inter District Cricket Tournament bala pelong da Meghalaya Cricket Association bat bala penya da Ribhoi District Cricket Association Hamadan Umbuda Haribhoi.
After this new Apex Council took over, we decided that it is time to invest in our young cricketers. We have done enough for the seniors. It is time we need to change course, change our strategy and invest on our young cricketers. And the first step is having this day tournament for our under 15 group, both in the boys and the girls stage, because they will be the foundation of our cricket. Unless we build up a strong foundation, first 1 year, 2 year, we may do well, but borrowed feathers don't shine. We need to have our own building, own foundation. And this is what it started. And I think all of you will agree that this was the right and the correct decision to have this tournament. And we are committed to have many more such tournaments. Why I am happy? People usually like to go to the senior tournaments, but it really gladdened my heart, and I think all of us here, our young budding talent performing. A big round of applause for our young cricketers. Well, Gideon, Honorary Secretary, Meghalaya Cricket Association, Mr. Dhruba Renol Karkamni, Vice President, Mr. Dhruba, the Honorary Treasurer. Please stand and a big round of applause for the tournament committee and RBDCA for organizing and hosting this tournament. Well done. I think we are all proud of you, both the tournament committee and the host. Now, the biggest applause and accolades goes to Tura District Cricket Association boys. Well done. I think this is the first time that SCA has been defeated. It's good we are having competition, and this shows that cricket is growing. SCA, as always, has been and will always be the force and the nursery to give cricketers to our state. Congratulations to Shillong Cricket Association for putting up such a good show. I hope next time you will be more careful, practice more, and then you'll try to take this championship away from Tdca. At the same time, I'm sure Tdca also will not concede space. Congratulations to both the teams, and a round of applause to a close associate of more than 15 years, Sengap, the coach of Tdca and also our under 16 coach.
So we thank God for wonderful weather that we have, in spite of the inclement weather that we've had over the past few days, not only here in our state, but almost all over the country. A round of applause to them. And not to take away the credit from SCA.